Hey guys, so it is August 7th, 2015, and as you can see, there's a cornfield in front of me. We're just out here on this little trail, and our buddy's out here with the crop duster. Here he comes. Woohoo! Look at that helicopter. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. That's sick. He's just going up and down the field spraying. I might get a couple more videos of him doing that, but that was pretty cool. Man. Yeah, I'll get a couple more videos. Out here with my friend right now. Oh, man, too bad the corn is so high. Couldn't get a better view. Yo, let's walk up here in the wood-tick-filled grass. No, he's not. He's making a churn down on the other end. Let's see if this is any better. It might be. Oh yeah, there's crickets in this grass. Oh yeah, here he comes. Ooh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be interesting. There he is. That was sick. Oh, that guy is crazy. You can do some cool things. And that, I don't know. That's like the tightest turns ever. That would be bad if he crashed it, you know. Those things crash really easily too. So yeah, I'll get one more video. Nice day out here too. Got a little meadow over here. Cornfield on the other side of it. Okay, he's making a churn down the other end of the field, so he's gonna be coming back. Man. Oh. The airplane was out here the other day at a different field on the other end of the town. Now this guy's out here. Okay, here he comes. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
That's so sick.
That's so cool. Well, I think that's it. I'm gonna get a quick photo of him and then head back home. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.